Welcome to WELLAPLEX Discovery. During this session, you'll learn how it works and how to use it during different services.
By adding WELLAPLEX Bond Builder, you can strengthen the hair during the colour process. We recommend to add WELLAPLEX always when mixing a lightening service or when colouring hair that has gone through chemical service previously. Note, if you're using Blond or Plex, it already has number 1 included in the product, so you only need to add number 2.
WELLAPLEX number 1 is added in really small amounts. The amount is measured based on the amount of lightening powder or colour used. Note that we currently have the second improved WELLAPLEX number 1 formula version, so be sure to check the mixing ratios.
For 30 grams of lightening powder in foils or full head technique, add 3 ml of WELLAPLEX number 1. For freehand techniques, mix 1.5 ml to every 30 grams of lightening powder. With oxidative colours, for example Coliston Perfect, Illumina Colour or Colour Touch, mix 1 ml to every 30 grams of colour, so 2 ml per 1 colour tube. Apply colour or lightening mixture onto the hair as normal and rinse. After rinsing, towel dry the hair and apply 2 to 6 pumps of number 2 depending on the length or density of the hair. Leave it on for up to 10 minutes and then rinse. Follow with a shampoo, post-colour treatment or conditioner.
Even if WELLAPLEX helps to maintain the hair's integrity, it's important to work responsibly. Do not carry out extreme lightening services that you wouldn't do on the hair without the Plex product. You can also use WELLAPLEX as a standalone strengthening treatment. In this case, WELLAPLEX number 1 is mixed with water, 1 part number 1 bond maker and 6 parts water.
Saturate this mix onto the hair for 5 minutes and then apply number 2 on top. Leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly, shampoo and condition. You can also download more information on WELLAPLEX from this site. Enjoy stronger hair with WELLAPLEX.